Okay, so what are we doing today?
All right, today we are making a box that goes around the pipe that goes up through the roof. It's an insulated pipe, so supposedly a 2-inch gap around is all you need, and you don't have to worry about covering it with anything, but I'm still going to cover it with a little bit of metal just to play it safe.
Come here. Everybody comes to say hi.
They all want to see what I'm doing. Making noise, so they want to know why I'm making noise. All right. All right, one piece down.
Where's the other one out?
And I'll just cut a couple other pieces similar size for the rafters, because the rafters make up the other part of the box. Just curious where everybody's from that watches. So drop a comment. Tell me where in the world or the United States or wherever you're at. Tell us where you're at.
Yeah. Did you?
I've seen comments from South Africa,
Australia,
Ireland, I think.
UK.
The United Kingdom. It's a little hard on your hand. Why don't you do this, Hansi?
He just likes to close his eyes. Hans, come here. Hans, come here. Let Daddy work.
Oh man, that is like getting hard on the hand.
Okay.
So the box is going to be like here and over here. So actually, I guess I really need to cut one more for over here.
Why?
To fit in between here, because the gap would be going clear over to there.
So?
Well, I don't know if it's supposed to be that far apart.
Oh, okay.
So I'll have to cut one more piece. It looks like. When it's such a pain to fire with the nail gun, this is much easier shooting this in with the nail gun.
Yeah. Yeah, but that requires a generator and extension cords and whole kit and caboodle.
So I'm gonna have to bend this down around, which I guess would be fine. It'd be fine to do. Really? Alright, this ain't gonna work. Bending my nails.
Bending your nails?
Yep. I don't know if I can get it started and then. I don't know why that one's bending my nails so much.
I don't know.
There we go. All they can probably see is the insulation.
No, I can't see anything over here either.
Oh.
What happened?
Sorry.
Oh, it pounded through the insulation.
Yeah. That'll be all right.
Yeah, it'll be fine.
Oh, yeah, I'm gonna have to wait and I'm gonna have to figure something else out for that other side.
Yeah.
That can go down there. See what I'm saying? It's like if I can't really, that's gonna be too far away. So I'm gonna have to have one here.
That's what you said.
Yeah. That's gonna be too far away to.
Are you gonna be able to toenail
Yeah.
screws in through the metal?
It'll be from the bottom.
Yeah, but the other side.
I already, what? For this one?
No.
I already got the metal on that piece.
Honey, this 2x6 right here that you're working on.
Yeah, it's gonna be a pain. I gotta do some measuring. Get this. It's a little bit too close anyway right now.
Yeah.
There we go. Drill.
Drill. Okay.
I get the one screw in and then measure.
Alright, so you can see he's got 2 of them up there now.
Alright. Being all in this insulation, this is a mess.
Yeah, I just need to cut it back. Right at 16 inches, it looks like.
Yeah, about 16 inches.
Okay, one more.
16 inches and the depth.
Oh yeah, that's right. We don't have a template
7 inches.
anymore.
7 inches. Alright, part of it. guess we'll have to get the scissors too so I can cut this insulation.
Yeah.
Screws. I need more screws. 2 more. This is going to be a little bit harder to do because
Why?
into this metal. I tell you what, this thing.
Well, why don't you just cut it off?
Here.
There you go. That works.
Well, that's
You want your hammer?
It ain't gonna go. I'm gonna have to cut more off of it. I'm gonna have to cut it off. Last piece. I think we can make that work. So we got like, well, depending on what's going up there, about 4 inches. That one because it comes at an angle.
Yeah.
Minimum we need 2. We got 3 inches there. We've got 2 and about ½ inches there. And we got a little over 3 inches right there. So I think
Yeah, should be
I'm
plenty
just
of
gonna roll
space.
with it right there.
Yeah.
So I need to knock that up in there a little bit more yet. I wonder why that was hanging down.
Oh.
That doesn't look right.
That's fine.
Hang ceiling will probably have fits with that. Let's just, for the sake of OCD, let's just see where we're at. About 7 inches. Yep, we're good. Just because I'll sit there and look at that on the couch and like that thing's off by like 1/4 of an inch. Now I need that out of there.
Yep.
Everything's always in the way. There's really a little place to position your ladder. Put the stove right here. All right. I think we won't call that.
Yep. Now we've got a box around it. See if I can get it.
And give you guys a better shot of it all. Yeah, don't worry, I'm not gonna light it up with the. I'm just trying to keep all the air from coming in right now until we get this thing all. I gotta seal up. They didn't have the right sealant I need for the little storm collar up there, so I gotta get that done yet. And then still waiting on one more piece of our stove pipe. Oh, good lord. Stove pipe. All right. I have to have some scissors.
Oh, cut the insulation back. Alright.
Alright, so we got it all boxed in. Got our insulation cut, stuffed in here. Last piece of the paper, since I'm kind of piecing this together. I was like, what is that?
Dogs.
All right, that's that boxed in. So next thing here is getting our other piece of stove pipe, getting this centered up where we need to be for sure, and then we'll be building our hearth on the bottom, which we're actually going to be using rocks off of the local beach. We've been trying to find enough flat rocks, and then we'll be building the because we got this cement board for behind the stove, and I'm not sure what we're going to do, if we're going to do rocks also on that, if we're going to just use some kind of tile. We haven't really decided on that yet, but those are all things we got to work on. Right now we're just trying to get all this taken care of first. All right, that's it.
Okay.